is the viral chickle.
Now, I have to really believe a food trend is going to be worth trying to do, and this Tic Tok viral chickle is actually something I think you should try. It's only a few ingredients. You really only need pickle spears and some cheddar cheese that's freshly shredded, but dipping sauce is always a good idea. So all you need to do is pat dry the pickles. You want them to not have a lot of moisture. Then heat up a nonstick pan to medium-high heat. And I find that it's best to make a really thin layer of the shredded cheese. Don't overdo it, because if it's too thick and clumpy, it's kind of too much cheese mixed with the pickle. So you just want a thin layer. And after about a minute, you want to really carefully fold over that cheese. And you know when it starts to basically stick to the pickle like glue, that your chickle is coming together nicely. You might want to turn down the heat of the pan at this point a little bit if you're having issues like rolling it very quickly. But after you make a couple chickles, you'll really have this down. I think this is a fun thing to try with other people. It really only takes 5 or 10 minutes to make a batch of these chickles, and I like to serve it with some sort of chipotle ranch. I have a really great jalapeno ranch dressing you can find at sipbytego.com. Anyways, I hope that you try this. It's definitely a TikTok food trend that's gone viral that is worth trying at least once. I mean, there's only a couple ingredients, so you really can't beat that. All right, I just put out a bunch of new recipes on Sip Bite Go. Make sure to check them out if you want some inspiration for home cooking. Cheers.